welcome back to my channel. In today's video, as you can tell by today's title, I'm going to be showing you guys how I created this beautiful, simple holiday look. And if you like to see it, please keep watching and don't forget to subscribe. So before the video, I had already prepped my eyes and did my eyebrows off camera just so it won't be that long. So guys, so for today's look, I'm going to be using the CARLI BYBEL Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. This is such a pretty palette. I love the package, so cute. So the colors I'm going to be using today are just two colors, which are Shy, this nice brown, and then Moo. Actually, yeah, I'll do Moo. It's such a cute color. And so with my Morphe brush, I'm going to go in with the color Chime. And I'm just going to apply on the crease. I'm going to start at the outer edges of my eye and work up. This is such a cute color. For the holidays, I always like doing a simple eye look and then like a nice bold lipstick color, because I'm not into like colorful eyes. I'm always into the nudes and not in neutral colors. Like that. I'm going ahead and do the other eye. Going with my Shape Tape concealer from Tarte and with another little flat brush from Morphe, I'm just gonna outline. Just to give it a clean look for the lid. So guys, I have no idea what happened to the audio in my camera. When I went to get up to check if I was still in frame, I noticed I wasn't, you couldn't hear me. So anyhow, I'm doing this voiceover. So for my lid, I went in with the color Moo. And I'm just going to apply that all over my lid. Like I mentioned in the video, I'm only using two colors, which were Shy and Moo. The Moo color is such a really nice shimmer color, so pretty, like a champagne. I'm going to be using the e.l.f. eyeliner off camera. So I'm back with my eyeliner, and you know that I can't do that on camera. I have to do it off camera because I can't see. So for my foundation, I'm going to be going in with the Clinique Beyond Perfecting Foundation. It's a foundation and concealer in the color Buttermilk. This is one of my favorite foundations because it has a wand and then it's so easy to apply. It makes me feel comfortable knowing that I can apply as much as I want. And it's just easier and less messy, I don't know, to me. And I'm just going to go in with and just apply that all over my face. And as always, I leave the nose to last. I have no idea why I do that, but it's just something I'm accustomed to. So then I'm going to go in with my Mario Badescu setting spray. And I'm going to wet my beauty sponge from Real Techniques. That way to have the sponge a little bit damp. And that way my foundation won't get that cakey effect. So then I'm just going to go ahead and just blend my life away. Guys, so I'm just watching and editing my video here, and I'm just looking on how like I blend. I take like forever, but it's something that I've always done. I always was really big on foundation when I was younger. I always wanted to get like that flawless look that I used to see on TV. And I will always practice on getting that flawless look each and every day when I was younger. And like obviously I had my errors here and there. But I finally found the way to have the flawless skin look, and like it's basically just blending your life away. Blending is very important because you really want to have your foundation set well on your skin. That way, everything else you put on top of it also blends beautifully together. Um, and I just feel like the sponge, to me, to my preference, is way better than a brush. Next, I'm going in with the Shape Tape Concealer from Tarte Cosmetics. It is one of my holy grails. That's like literally like the only concealer I've used in such a long time. So I'm going to apply that under my eyes. And I like to put a very small amount depending on the foundation that I use. Clinique foundation is pretty good. It has a decent amount of coverage, so I don't like to apply a lot on that, 'cause then I feel like it's going to get like really ugly. But then I'm going to go in with my beauty sponge from Real Techniques and dampen a little bit more with the Marabou spray and just blend very carefully under my eyes, just to make sure everything blends well beautifully. Next, I'm going in with the L'Oreal Inflatable Translucent Powder. I'm just going to apply a very small amount of that under my eyes to set the concealer that I just applied. And also what I like to do to get that matte finished look on the skin is just also apply the translucent powder in certain areas of my face, like for my nose, just to conceal the oiliness, and also on my forehead where it also gets oily, and then on the sides of my lips it always creases up when I smile, because I have like really big cheeks, so I don't like that. So I put also powder on there just to set my foundation, and it actually works out for me very well. So for my bronzer, I'm going to go in with a bronzer from Morphe in the color Debutante, I don't know, it's Debutante. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, but that's the color I'm going for on my cheeks. I'm not a big bronzer person, but for the holidays, I like to go all out and be a little bit extra, I mean, for the purpose of this video as well, I always just tend to just put blush, but I just decided to do a bronze look. So I'm just going to apply that on the cheeks with my brush that I have no idea where it's from. It's just a brush that I had for a while. And what I didn't like about this bronzer, it left my skin a little patchy. I don't know if it was me not applying it well, or it was just the fact that the bronzer comes like that, but I wasn't a big fan of it. I'm just gonna give it one more try and just to see if I do start to like it. Next, I'm gonna go in with the Milani highlighter duo in the color Spark Plug, and I'm gonna put one of them only. There's two in the pan, but the one I'm applying is like a champagne color, and I'm just gonna put that on my cheekbones. And I usually apply very little. I don't like to put a lot of highlighter on because then I'm gonna be glowing, and I don't like too much of that look. Yeah, I'm gonna put those on the apples, not the apples, I'm sorry, the cheekbones, and then I usually apply very little on my nose, and then around my temples I like to apply as well. Just when I turn sideways and I want to take a photo, it shows. For my lips, we're almost done, y'all. For my lips, I'm going to be going in with the lip liner from CARLI Cosmetics in the color Red Velvet. That is such a cute name for lip liner, and it's a nice bright red lip liner because we're going to be going in with a nice bright red lipstick. So for the lipstick, I am using ColourPop's matte lipsticks. I think this is the one from the holiday collection that I showed in my previous video. And this is in the color Creeper. This is such a beautiful red. especially for the holidays. Usually I only wear red for like Christmas time or Valentine's. Other than that, I usually don't wear it. So I decided to use it for today's video. So I'm right now applying Married with the School setting spray because it feels so amazing. Once you put all that makeup, you kind of feel you want to feel refreshed, and this is like the best thing to do when you put all that makeup on. Hey guys, so here's the final look. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Once again, I'm sorry for the audio. I thought my camera was recording my voice and I guess it wasn't. So I'll just do a voiceover. But once again, I'm sorry for that, and until next time, bye.